Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard science students. We are discussing 4th chapter from syllabus, that is emerging technologies. In last lecture we have discussed about IoT, that is Internet of Things. What are different advantages, disadvantages of IoT, what are applications of IoT. Today we will discuss about cloud computing and what are different models of cloud computing. So first let us see what is a cloud computing. Cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient on-demand network access to a shared pool of computing resources. And those resources can be network, servers, storage, different softwares, applications, services released with a service provider interaction. So what is a cloud computing? It is a model for enabling the different services, different resources with the help of internet, that is network shared access to the different resources is made available with the help of cloud computing. So while using a computerized system, we may need a different resources. Those resources can be a network, servers, storage, softwares. So those different services can be available on demand with the help of network access by using a cloud computing. So it is a model for enabling on-demand network access to a shared pool of computing resources. And those resources can be network, server, storage, applications, softwares, different services, etc. So that is about a cloud computing. See, here is the diagram, and you can see here different clients will be there, different clients or users, and this is the primary server of those different clients, and this all is connected with the internet. So different resources access with the help of this internet to the different clients and users. So this is the shared access to the different resources demanded can be different, like a storage or like a software, etc. So that is a cloud computing, making availability of different computing resources through the internet to different clients and users. So that is a cloud computing. There are different three models of cloud computing. Those three models are nothing but infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So we are going to discuss in detail what is the infrastructure, platform, and software as a service. These are the short forms used for this. Um, you can see here infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So let us first of all discuss infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service gives users access to a storage, networking, different servers, and other computing resources via the cloud. So different resources are there. Out of that, with the help of this service, that is infrastructure as a service, which resources are accessible, that is storage, networking, and different servers, such a computing resources are available with the help of infrastructure as a service using a cloud. While the user is still responsible for managing their applications data, middleware, that is user itself is responsible to manage their own applications. So, this infrastructure as a service provides automated and scalable environments that provide a high degree of control and flexibility for the user. So, it provides the flexibility for the user, scalable environment, automated environment, so that user can use that infrastructure for developing their own applications, managing their own applications. So that is about the infrastructure as a service. What are key features of this service? Instead of purchasing hardware outright, users pay for a infrastructure as a service on demand. So suppose if you want to run a certain application in your system and you are getting limitations of certain hardware devices, then instead of purchasing those hardware, you can use such a service, infrastructure as a service, from cloud computing. And in this way you will not require to purchase that hardware, but instead you can pay for infrastructure as a service on demand. Infrastructure is a scalable depending on processing and storage needs. So it is a scalable, that means it can vary in size, okay, depending on the processing and storage needs. If your storage needs are getting increased day by day, it is a it is also manageable with the help of this infrastructure as a service. Enterprises saves the cost of buying and maintaining their own hardware. So in different companies, different businesses, enterprises can save their cost of buying and maintaining their own hardware. So instead of buying the hardware, they can use it using internet. So that is made available with infrastructure as a service of cloud computing. What are different examples of such a infrastructure as a service of cloud computing? So Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Virtual Machines, Google Compute Engines. These are the different examples of infrastructure as a service. So basically, storage needs, networking needs are fulfilled with the help of infrastructure as a service. But instead of buying the hardware, buying the networking resources, you can use it by paying for infrastructure as a service on demand. Second model of cloud computing is a platform as a service. A service provider offers access to a cloud-based environment in which users can develop, manage, and deliver the application. So such a platform, such a environment is provided to the user so that they can develop their own applications and deliver the different applications. In addition to the storage and other computing resources, users are able to use a suite of pre-built tools to develop, customize, and test their own applications. See, first model of cloud computing was a infrastructure as a service, which provides the or which fulfills the hardware requirements. Okay, but instead of only the storage, other computing resources are also made available with the help of platform. That is, a whole complete platform is made available to the developer so that they can build their applications. Different pre-built tools are there which will make that developing process easy. They can customize their different applications and also test the application. So this is a platform used for developing a certain application that can be used with the help of platform as a service of cloud computing, that is a PaaS. What are different key features of platform as a service? PaaS provides a platform with the tools to test, develop, and host the applications in same environment. That is, within a same environment, you can develop your applications, you can host the application, you can test the application. So that is a key feature of PaaS. It enables organizations to focus on the development without having to worry about underlying infrastructure. That is, instead of worrying about how to develop such an environment for developing the application, instead of that, you can only focus on developing the application using the PaaS service. Providers manage the security, operating systems, server software, and backups. That is, using the PaaS, the environment that is provided to you will be secure. Operating systems will be available, and as well as server software and backup is available. That's why your data will be always secure. It facilitates the collaborative work even if the team work remotely. That is, collaborative work is also facilitated with the help of PaaS service, that is of cloud computing. This is the second model of cloud computing. Then the last, that is third model of cloud computing, is a software as a service. A service provider which delivers the software and applications through the internet, that is a SaaS, that is software as a service. Users do not install the applications on their local devices, but instead of that, the applications reside on a remote cloud network accessed through the web or an API. So instead of installing the different softwares applications to develop the application on your local machine, you can use the software and application through the internet with the help of SaaS, that is software as a service. So instead of applications reside on a remote machine, we can access those with the help of cloud. What are the different key features of software as a service? SaaS vendors provide users with software and application via subscription model. So you can take a subscription model for a certain period, and until that period, validity of that period, you can use the software and application with internet. Users do not have to manage, install or upgrade the softwares. So users do not have to install the software, to manage those, to upgrade those, but instead of that, SaaS, that is software as a service providers, will manage this, will upgrade those softwares. Data is secure in the cloud. Equipment failure does not result in the loss of data. So your data will be secured in the cloud, will be always available to you, and in case of any failure, your data will not get lost. Use of the resources can be scaled depending on the service needs. So different resources that are getting used can be scaled, that is can be increased or decreased depending on the needs. Applications are accessible from almost any internet connected device and from virtually anywhere in the world. So the different applications and services, softwares that you have subscribed will be available to you using any internet connected device virtually anywhere in the world. So that is about a SaaS, that is software as a service, which provides different softwares and applications through the internet. What are examples of such a software as a service? Google's G Suite is an example of software as a service. GitHub, SAP, Slack, Dropbox. These are the different applications of SaaS, which provides the software and applications through internet. So there are three different models of cloud computing. First one is the infrastructure as a service, which provides a different hardware resources, storage, networking resources through the internet. Second model is a platform as a service. In addition to the hardware requirement, it also provides you a platform which using which you can develop, customize and test your own applications. And third model is a software as a service, which provides you the softwares and applications through the internet. So this is about a cloud computing and different models of cloud computing. So note down all these points in your notebook. Thank you.